Hey guys, Morgan here, the Carolina Disney girl, and it's unboxing time. We have one box to unbox tonight. It is the AllTrue box. Grab right here. So, as I said before, this is formerly the Cause box. This is the third box that we've gotten so far, so it's going to be kind of a little mixture of everything. I do want to say, I mentioned on the last box how I didn't know how to pick the selections. Luckily, I now know thanks to the comments from last box to go in. So thank you so much for commenting and let me know how to do that. Unfortunately, I checked too late for this one. So let's see what we got. So make some room on my desk here. So this is the winter box. The AllTrue Guide to Winter. So we'll just go through what we've got. Got a little beanie, which I have to say, I did get a beanie in, I think, the FabFitFun, so I kind of don't need another beanie. So I'm not sure, but this is by Jules K. And also I live in North Carolina. We got unseasonably cold weather. But that's not normal for us, so I don't usually wear beanies. But here's what it is, the palm beanie. It's made with recycled polyester and acrylic, and it is a women's own and run company, and a portion of the profits of the beanie were donated to Direct Relief, an organization that equips doctors and nurses with life-saving medical resources to care for the world's most vulnerable people. So that really is good. I have to figure out which one I'm going to keep now because I feel like I only need one. So I'm more inclined to keep this one just because it's a good cause. But that was the first item, and it is a $48 value. Next, we have Woolsey's linen laundry and linen spray set, which the only thing I know of Woolsey's is the wool balls that you put in the dryer, which we started doing in my house. And our only problem is we keep losing them in the laundry, so we have to remember to pull them out. But this is actually really cool. It is 100% natural sprays. You have Still Breeze, which is soothing lavender and floral, jasmine, citrus clean, fresh citrus scents of lemon, orange, and lemongrass, and petal fresh. Wonderfully sweet scents of floral rose and smoky sandalwood. And you spray these on, of course, your laundry or your linens, which of course I would do the Still Breeze, which has lavender in it, on my bed sheets to help calm down and relax. So yeah, it is 100% certified, all natural ingredients. It says to use them with the dryer balls. Add a little aromatherapy to the wash cycle. Spray these on your fresh out of the dryer laundry. So this actually says that if you actually have the wool balls, you can spray the spray on the wool balls, or you can just spray it on your laundry. So I'm not sure what I would do, because I feel like I'd want my linens to have the lavender and maybe my clothes to have the citrusy smell. I don't think the men in the house want to have a Petal Fresh smell in their laundry. So I might just spray this directly on the laundry, depending on what I'm doing, not on the wool balls. So next we have Naturus. Oh, there's actually two. So Natura Castana hand and foot cream duo. So you got foot and hand cream here. Always good, especially for the winter. My hands do dry out, so I'm always on the lookout for a good hand cream. And of course, can't go wrong with a good foot cream. So they are cruelty-free and vegan, and they use fair trade ingredients and recycled materials. They're made of castana nut, also known as Brazil nut, rich enough to suit even the most dry, cracked winter skin. I'm gonna open the hand cream because I'm intrigued on what it smells like. And it's not a plastic tube, it's metal, which is good because then like when I'm done I can like roll it easier and make sure I get everything. Ooh, it smells good. I'm just gonna do a little bit. Oh yeah, like, and it's not like an overpowering like, oh my gosh, now the whole room is gonna smell like this. It's just a nice, feels really silky, and it's just a nice clean smell. Like, that sounds weird, but like it's like a refreshing smell. Which for some reason with Brazil nut I thought I was gonna get like a heavy, almost vanilla-y kind of smell. These are a $36 value, and this, I think it said $18.99, $16.99 for the laundry. So next we have nail polish. Ooh, Karma Naturals festive nail polish bundle. I've really gotten into trying to get clean products, obviously, because we're doing the AllTrue box. And there's only one company that I found that had like a clean ingredient nail polish, so it's kind of cool to find another one. So we've got this like light lavender purple, and ooh, this is like metallic-y red, so like almost like opposites of the color spectrum here. So that's them there. These are actually a $21.99 value. So Soiree red and Snowflake, which I guess it is probably a little bit more blue than purple. It just came across to me like kind of a light lavender. So Karma Naturals is an industry leader when it comes to clean formulas, opting out of the toxic ingredients usually found in nail polish. These are formulated to strengthen your nails naturally with ingredients like calcium and coffee extract. That's awesome. I do have a tendency when I go on vacation, I will get the gel nail polish, and then it kind of tears up my nails after. So it'll be good to use this and kind of fix my nails after everything. Now you do always get a little postcard with some really cool art on it. So this is the winter box art. And it's Charlotte May, MEI. So All right. Next we have, we have tea. So this is the Vadam Signature Tea Blends, India Variety tea tin set. We have English Breakfast and Masala Chai. So you have your little certification here. And they actually do come in these nice tins. I love tea. I am a big tea drinker. I don't drink coffee, so this is actually totally right up my alley. So this is a set for beginners and experts alike, made of leaves pre-cured and packaged within days of harvest, featuring 2 types of tea varieties for sipping at your next holiday movie night or alongside your winter morning rituals. BIPOC, owned and run, which I don't know what that stands for, so I'm going to have to Google that and try to figure out what that stands for. It's certified plastic neutral and climate neutral brand, which is always good. 1% of their revenue is donated to social initiative Teach Me, which helps empower the children of tea estate workers through digital learning. Oh, that's really nice. So, totally excited to try this. Looks like we've got one more item here. And it is a foldable yoga mat, which, like, it is a lot thinner than your average yoga mat. Yoon Yoga, as we see. Foldable's kind of interesting. Like, I've never seen a foldable yoga mat before. So let me find them in the book. Okay, so we got the foldable yoga mat here. Yoon Yoga first choice category is what this was. So this was the premium. So it is a trendy tie-dye inspired pattern. This mat balances function, style, and the materials deliver extra flexibility. You can literally fold it up and take it with you, make it easier to take your practice home for the holidays. Yoon Yoga gives a portion of the profits to shelters, charities, and underfunded schools. That's really cool. So I mean, like, yeah, like, it would be hard to travel with a standard yoga mat, so I can totally see this. I don't, like, I've never seen one this thin. Like, I'm not even pinching it. Like, that's just how thin it is. So I'm interested to try it, because I am trying to do yoga, meditation, kind of get that mental health going as well as physical health this year. So that's really cool. So the yoga mat is, let me grab my phone. We're going to calculate the cost of everything. So I've got my phone. The yoga mat is $85. Let's see if I can put the tea is $40. Let's see. The beanie is $48. Let's see. The hand and foot cream is $36. The nail polish bundle is $21.99. And let's see, I think for the laundry spray, laundry spray is $16.99. So that is a total of, get that back, pull it back up, $247.98. I want to say these boxes cost like $50 a box. So totally 100% getting your money's worth out of that. And I'm kind of starting to like these a little bit more because it's not just all beauty products, which like, I'm not going to lie, I do love beauty products, but I like that I have a little bit of everything. Like we've gotten like some stuff for the kitchen in other boxes. So this is more than just beauty products. This is stuff for the home and yourself. Which I definitely like. I'm going to keep an eye out because the next box is going to be spring. I'm going to keep an eye out and hopefully be able to pick my own selections for next time. We have actually stopped doing the BoxyCharm subscriptions just because AllTrue and FabFitFun, we're using more of the stuff. Whereas BoxyCharm, as much as I love makeup, I can only use so many palettes at a time. I can only use so many beauty products at a time before they just start taking up space. So that being said, I will continue to unbox AllTrue and FabFitFun. And if we add another box, I'll unbox that as well. So let me know what you guys got in your AllTrue box. Did you get the same stuff as I got? What's your favorite item? And I just dropped my headphones. So, alright guys, as always, thank you so much for watching, subscribing, liking, commenting. I appreciate it so much. I love unboxing this stuff because I know I love seeing what other people get. So hopefully you guys feel the same way. So until next time, guys, have a magical night. Hakuna Matata.